Good day to everyone. My name is Johan Daniel Cortez from a static class with teacher Hector Dusan. Today I will talk about some of concept of center of mass, centroid and center of gravity. We say that the center of mass of a participle system it is a point that for many purposes moves as if it were a participle of mass equal to the total mass of the system subject to the resultant of the forces acting on it. It used to describe the transnational movement of a system of particles, the centroid of a physical body when it has a uniform density is coincident with the center of mass. The same thing happens when matter is distributed in the body in a symmetrical way. The center of mass only agrees with the center of gravity if the gravitational field is uniform by the action of a vector of constant magnitude and direction. The centron, on the other hand, agrees with the center of mass if the body has uniform density or if the matter radio of the system is symmetric. In mechanical engineering, we use the concept of centroid to determine where the total area of a figure is considered to be concentrated, identifying the geometry that makes it up to find their respective areas, where the geometric center of the flat and homogeneous body is supposed to be located. To determine the centroid of this figure, we first identify the geometric figures, which are a triangle and two rectangles. According to their lengths and applying the formula, we determine their respective areas. Then we find the centroid of each figure according to the table of centroids. Then we multiply the centroid by area. We tabulated the obtained data. We perform summation in X for X and summation in J for J over the total area, and finally we bound the centroid to the coordinated axes X and J.